University hiring scam exposed. A shocking employment scandal has come to light involving a major private university project operating under the disguise of a legitimate academic institution. What appears to be routine hiring may actually be a serious corporate and legal violation. Report. Sources reveal that several employees were recruited for university-level roles, admissions, operations, academic coordination, yet their employment documents belong not to the university, but to an entirely separate private limited company. Experts say this arrangement is not a clerical mix-up. Under Indian law, hiring through one entity and deploying work for another, without written disclosure, can constitute misrepresentation, labor diversion, and possible fraud under IPC sections 417 and 420. Employees say they worked exclusively for the university email, university bosses, university workload. But their salary slips, PF numbers, and employment contracts tied them to the private company, raising suspicion of UGC violations, Companies Act breaches, and PF/ESI evasion. The situation turned darker when one employee allegedly resisted sudden termination. According to sources, the individual was removed before 6 months, without due process, without inquiry, and without any documented reason. What followed is even more alarming. Insiders claim that when the employee refused to sign forced resignation papers, the organization allegedly filed a false police complaint to threaten him into compliance. In some cases, whistleblowers allege that local police were influenced, leading to harassment, intimidation, and even wrongful arrest. Legal experts warn that this combination, fake entity hiring, forced termination, false police complaints, could attract Labor Commissioner action, UGC inquiry, MCA inspection, criminal charges for coercion and fabricated evidence, penalties for unlawful employment practices. Whistleblower advocates say this pattern is growing among private educational setups trying to bypass regulations by operating through shadow companies while presenting themselves as universities. If these allegations are proven, this could be one of the most serious employment scams in the education sector, where misuse of power, false complaints, and structural deception create a dangerous environment for employees. The investigation continues.